Hey there, fellow wanderers. Welcome back to the Wandering Gypsy RV Life podcast. Today, I'm coming to you from the Theodore Roosevelt National Park in beautiful Medora, North Dakota. This land is a tribute not just to Roosevelt's conservation legacy, but to the raw, Wild West that shaped him and shaped America. You can almost hear the hoofbeats and grit of history in every gust of wind. The South Unit offers scenic drives with overlooks that'll steal your breath. Herds of bison roam freely, prairie dogs chirp, horses graze, and the layers of time written into the landscape remind you just how old and wild this place really is. Don't forget your National Parks passport book. These stops are made for memories and stamps. And if you don't have one, now's the perfect time to start. Trust me, it's the most fun way to track your adventures across America's protected places. And just across town, I had to check out the North Dakota Cowboy Hall of Fame. If you're into cowboy culture, rodeo legends, and frontier grit, this place is a must. From saddles and spurs to Native American history and ranching roots, it's a true celebration of the Wild West spirit. That's it for this stop on the Wandering Gypsy RV Life. Until next time, keep your coffee strong, your camera ready, and the wheels always pointed west. And remember, not all who wander are lost.